Hi, my name is Eric Tan. You probably never heard of me, but I've been selling millions of dollars to hundreds of thousands of customers on the internet across the globe for the past 20 years. I started out with a very humble beginning with only a few thousands of dollars, importing goods from China and recycling the money many times over to become an eight-figure seller. I'm not telling you this to impress you, but I want you to let you know that it's possible with the right system. Like many others, I struggle with many things in life, but I do have the skill set to be able to reach hundreds of millions of people through digital marketing. As an eight-figure seller and a seasoned entrepreneur, I have navigated through the landscape of online business, achieving remarkable results and amassing the wealth of knowledge along the way. Today, I will let you into my multi-million dollar business and break down the start to finish how to do e-commerce and digital marketing. I have cracked the code to generate massive revenue in an e-commerce online business, consistently outperform the competitors, and surpassing industry benchmarks. One good thing about the internet is it's the biggest marketplace on earth with 5.4 billion customers waiting for you. It's also 24/7, all day, every day, so you can make money while you sleep. After consulting for many successful internet businesses, my mission is to empower others to make money online 24/7 so you can have the freedom to enjoy life. So please fill out the information below and you will be able to get access to my webinar to understand how I sell millions of dollars on the internet.